Harsh chemicals, endless scrubbing, and stubborn grime making cleaning a nightmare? Steam cleaners harness the power of high-temperature steam to sanitize, degrease, and deep clean without toxic chemicals, transforming how you tackle dirt throughout your home. Today, we're reviewing the best steam cleaners that kill germs, eliminate grime, and make cleaning faster and healthier. From compact handheld models to powerful multi-surface systems. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Bizzle Steam Shot Omni-Pressurized Handheld. When you need targeted spot cleaning for countertops, faucets, grout, and hard-to-reach areas, this compact handheld steam cleaner delivers pressurized power in a portable package. At just 4 pounds empty, portability is exceptional. The 7 attachment options provide remarkable versatility for detailed cleaning. Tackle grimy grout, sanitize faucets, steam away soap scum, and refresh upholstery. The variety of nozzles and brushes ensures you have the right attachment for every surface. Quick 3-minute heat time gets you cleaning fast. The pressurized steam kills germs and dissolves grime without harsh chemicals. Just add water. The handheld design excels at detail work where full-size cleaners struggle. Clean tile grout, sanitize stovetops, or tackle sticky residue with precision control. The 6.6-ounce water tank means more frequent refills during extended sessions. For spot cleaning and sanitizing smaller surfaces without dragging out full-sized equipment, this delivers chemical-free power in a genuinely portable form. Perfect for quick countertop wipes or tackling small messes as they happen. Number 5. Eubank Steam Dynamo Steam Cleaner. When you want powerful multi-surface steam cleaning handling everything from windowsills to ovens, this versatile canister delivers impressive performance. The name Steam Dynamo accurately describes the power, tackling dirt, hard water stains, and baked-on grease quickly. Operation is simple with a red indicator light showing when active. Quiet operation won't disturb household peace. The included funnel makes filling the 50-ounce tank effortless, providing substantial capacity. The attachment system is brilliantly designed. A universal adapter accommodates any accessory tool. The variety handles windows, faucets, grout, stovetops, and upholstery. Dual steam settings are practical. Press for single spray on small spots, or push forward for continuous steam on larger messes. At 7.8 pounds empty and 11.3 pounds full, portability rivals lightweight vacuums. Wheels on the base make moving between rooms effortless. There's no external water level indicator. Some residue may require wiping with microfiber cloth. For versatile whole-home steam cleaning with quiet operation and dual steam modes, this delivers powerful sanitization across surfaces without harsh chemicals. Number 4. Pure Enrichment XL Rolling Steam Cleaner. When ergonomic comfort and powerful steam matter for extended cleaning, this rolling steam cleaner delivers exceptional design, making whole home cleaning effortless. The comfortable handle and trigger allow steaming for minutes without hand fatigue. The powerful steam jet tackles caked-on stains and tough areas with ease. The pressure is strong enough that many surfaces clean without wiping. Just let steam do the work. Glass surfaces clean in 2 passes with the wide squeegee. Attachment changes are brilliantly simple. Each clicks onto the main nozzle with the same button. The variety handles tile, grout, windowsills, glass, and metal. Note attachments get very hot, requiring gloves. At 9.3 pounds with large wheels, mobility is exceptional. Roll between rooms effortlessly. The compact size stores easily. The fill hole is small, making filling delicate. The unit produces noticeable hissing noise. There are no indicator lights beyond the power button. For homeowners with hard surfaces like tile and metal wanting ergonomic, powerful whole-home steam cleaning, this delivers professional results with comfort-sustaining extended sessions. Number 3. PerSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. When you want one versatile tool handling both floor mopping and detailed steam cleaning, this 10-in-1 system delivers exceptional value. Unlike dedicated steam mops, this transforms into a handheld steamer with attachments, making it your complete solution for floors, windows, grout, and corners. The lightning-fast 30-second heat time gets you cleaning immediately. The wide mop head makes quick work of large floor areas, efficiently steaming tile and concrete. The concentrated nozzle excels at detailed work, cleaning debris from window tracks in tight spaces. Glass surfaces in bathrooms become spotless as the handheld tackles water stains. The water tank alerts you when empty through beeping and vibration. Machine washable cloth mop heads add convenience. Just toss them in the wash rather than replacing disposable pads. At 5.7 pounds when full with a comfortable handle, maneuverability is excellent. The handheld unit is somewhat bulky, but versatility justifies the size. The mop head can flip up over sticky stains, requiring extra attention. For budget-conscious cleaners wanting floor mopping plus handheld versatility without separate tools, this delivers remarkable value and comprehensive capability, rivaling more expensive systems. Number 2. Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop. When you want the perfect balance between simplicity and cleaning power for everyday tasks, this steam mop delivers professional results without commercial complexity. The slim design fits comfortably in cleaning closets, making storage effortless. The 28-second heat time means you can pull it out and start cleaning in under a minute. What sets this apart is the transparent water reservoir, the only pick offering visible water level monitoring. The wide mouth makes filling effortless with the included measuring cup or freehand pouring without spills. The attachments are highly effective, softening stuck-on messes and pushing grime off glass with fewer passes. Indicator lights show heating status and high, low, or pause settings. At just 6 pounds empty and 6.8 pounds full, lightweight maneuverability makes extended cleaning comfortable. The trigger requires holding down continuously with no lock setting, potentially tiring during long sessions. For everyday household cleaning wanting simple operation, transparent water monitoring, and effective attachments in a lightweight package, this delivers exceptional value for typical home tasks. Number 1. McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. When you want professional-grade cleaning power tackling everything from bathroom faucets to tile floors, this heavy-duty steam cleaner delivers impressive results with chemical-free cleaning. The controlled spray pressure minimizes mess while maximizing effectiveness. Quiet operation is remarkably subtle, allowing normal conversations while cleaning. The lightweight applicator makes extended use comfortable despite the substantial 48-ounce capacity. What makes this exceptional is the extensive collection of 18 accessories. Multiple brush sizes, pad styles, and nozzles ensure you have the perfect tool for every surface. Clean intricate fixtures, deep clean grout, sanitized counters, and steam tile floors, all with one machine. Built-in accessory storage keeps everything organized. Dual steam settings provide versatility. Press for controlled bursts or set to continuous steam for larger areas. At 13.4 pounds empty, this is the heaviest pick when unfilled. The lock button doesn't stick reliably. For serious whole home steam cleaning wanting professional power, extensive attachments, and versatility across surfaces, this delivers chemical-free sanitization, justifying its position as the ultimate steam cleaning solution. And there you have it. The best steam cleaners that'll transform your cleaning routine and eliminate harsh chemicals from your home. If this video helped you choose the right steam cleaner, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more home product reviews. Now get cleaning and enjoy a healthier, chemical-free home.